Welcome, I'm I'm using NOKIA 1.4 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and once you see your boot options right here, you want to hold power off. Once you do so, it will bring out this window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK. And simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see now the device is back on. You just quickly put on the pin. So you can see right here there is a watermark, safe mode. So it signifies that we are right now in the desired mode. And in this mode only the pre-installed applications will function. It's the ones that come with the device. Anything that you have downloaded yourself will basically not be able to start up at all. And that is so you can troubleshoot your device in this mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you need to do is hold your power key and select restart, which will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.